this pandemic has been a real disaster, particularly for our homeless population. They really have nowhere to go. In the shelter system, they're living, in a congregated setting.
It's for that reason why Dr. Andrea Summers and her colleagues at Toronto General and Toronto Western Hospital started an initiative collecting old mobile phones to give to patients who are homeless, struggling with mental health issues or substance use, and are socially isolated.
So when a patient comes to the emergency room for whatever their problem is, sometimes there are tests that are still outstanding when the time they leave. So blood culture results, urine culture results, final diagnostic imaging reports. And it's always been a challenge getting those results to patients who don't have phones. And in the age of COVID, the problem becomes even that more heightened because we're doing COVID testing and there's a need for public health contact tracing when people do have positive test results.
It's a tool that many people take for granted, but for those who don't have it, it can be almost impossible to get care, especially now that physicians are practicing social distancing and are asking patients to consult over the phone or virtually.
There's a real need. There are so many patients who are isolated. And imagine if you were sick or unwell and you weren't able to call for help, you weren't able to activate emergency medical services.
Dr. Summers and her colleagues don't have a set goal for how many phones they want to collect. They just want to receive as many as possible, and any extra will be distributed to hospitals in need.
So I know of a number of connections that have already taken place, and they've all been very, very positive. We're planning on doing a 1-month phone survey in follow-up just to see how the phones have actually benefited patients.
The group has collected quite a few already, but say there is a big need now for SIM cards with enabled talk and text. For more information on how you can donate old phones, head to our website, citynews.ca/extras. Brandon Rose, City News.